Apple fans, buckle up, because the next small but mighty desktop might just redefine what power means in a minimalist form factor. Yes, we're talking about the highly anticipated M5 Mac Mini, a machine that's quietly making noise across the tech world, and trust me, the latest leaks are way more exciting than you think. Apple's compact computer is rumored to be getting its most powerful refresh yet, and not just in raw performance, but in how Apple is reshaping the entire idea of a mini desktop for creators, coders, and everyday pros. According to several reliable leaks surfacing from Apple's internal macOS Tahoe 26 build, references to a brand new Mac Mini model, codenamed J837s, have been spotted, hinting strongly that Apple is testing multiple versions of the next-gen Mac Mini powered by both M5 and M5 Pro chips. That's right, not one but possibly two different configurations are in development. And if these rumors hold true, we might be seeing a massive leap in CPU and GPU performance, rivaling even some of the larger Mac desktops. The M5 chip itself, built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process, promises a jump not only in speed, but also in thermal efficiency, meaning it runs cooler, faster, and smarter. Imagine a desktop that stays whisper quiet even under heavy workloads while still punching through 8K video edits, complex code compilation, or 3D renders like it's nothing. That's the kind of power the M5 Mac Mini could bring to the table. Now, when we talk design, don't expect a total visual overhaul. Multiple insiders claim that Apple will likely retain the sleek aluminum body, keeping that same compact footprint we all know, but inside, it's going to be a whole new beast. Think improved cooling architecture, faster unified memory bandwidth, and maybe even upgraded SSD options that outpace the M4 Mac Mini's already blazing performance. And while Apple seems to love keeping things minimal, some whispers suggest that the M5 Pro version could feature additional Thunderbolt ports or even better display support, possibly up to 3 external monitors, a dream come true for video editors, stock traders, and power users. But the biggest question is when? Some sources, like Tom's Guide and Notebook Check, hint at a late 2025 reveal, while others believe Apple might hold the M5 Mac Mini until mid-2026, timing it alongside new desktop releases like the M5 iMac and M5 Mac Studio. Apple's rollout strategy often begins with laptops, then desktops follow, so this timeline definitely tracks with their usual pattern. But if Apple surprises us, and they often do, we might just see a teaser drop at their next October event. What makes this update so exciting is how Apple has positioned the Mac Mini over the years. Once seen as the entry-level Mac, it's now becoming a silent performance monster. Compact, enough to fit in your hand, yet powerful enough to challenge full-sized PCs. The M2 and M4 versions already shocked reviewers with incredible benchmarks, but the M5 aims to push that even further. Reports claim the M5 chip's multi-core performance could outperform the M4 by nearly 25 to 30%, with better GPU rendering speeds for graphics-heavy tasks like gaming, AI workloads, and 4K 8K editing. That means smoother performance, faster exports, and higher efficiency, all in that same minimalist box. And yes, if Apple really wants to dominate the small-form desktop market, this is the moment. Now, imagine this. You walk into your workspace, plug in your monitor, and boot up a machine that weighs less than 3 pounds but handles everything you throw at it. It's not loud, it's not bulky, it's just smooth, instant power. That's the essence of Apple's design language. Simplicity meeting strength. And the M5 chip could take that philosophy to its next chapter. With Apple's focus on AI-driven performance, expect features like neural acceleration, enhanced machine learning, and on-device optimization for creative software like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Xcode. It's not just faster, it's smarter. The rumor mill even hints that Apple is integrating advanced AI co-processors within the M5 family, allowing seamless background AI tasks without eating up performance, meaning you'll be able to multitask more fluidly than ever before. But here's where it gets really interesting: price and positioning. Historically, Apple has kept the Mac Mini relatively affordable in the Mac lineup. But if an M5 Pro variant really exists, we might see 2 pricing tiers, one for casual users or light professionals, and another premium version aimed at creators who need extra horsepower. Some leaks suggest that the base M5 Mac Mini could start around $699, while the M5 Pro version might push closer to $1,099 or even $1,299, depending on configuration. But knowing Apple, they'll justify every dollar with raw speed, storage options, and that unmatched macOS optimization. And yes, macOS itself is rumored to be evolving alongside the new chip, with even smoother multitasking, better thermal control, and native AI enhancements that take full advantage of the M5's neural engine. Let's also not forget, Apple's transition to the M-series chips has completely reshaped the desktop market. Competitors like Intel and AMD are still trying to match Apple's efficiency ratio, but with the M5, Apple seems to be widening that gap even further. We could be looking at a desktop that delivers desktop-grade performance with laptop-level power consumption, something that's almost unheard of in this segment. So if you're someone who's been waiting for a reason to upgrade your setup, the M5 Mac Mini might be that reason. Especially if you love clean setups, high-end performance, and that Apple ecosystem synergy where everything just works. Some enthusiasts even speculate Apple might experiment with new materials, like recycled titanium finishes or magnetic base plates for easier mounting. And though that's not confirmed, it would make sense given Apple's sustainability push. Another potential upgrade could be in connectivity, with Wi-Fi 7 support and Bluetooth 6E rumored to be in testing phases. If that makes it to the final product, you're looking at blazing fast wireless speeds that could make cloud workflows and remote editing seamless. And with Thunderbolt 5 around the corner, the M5 Mac Mini could easily become a connectivity powerhouse, perfect for multi-device creators, streamers, and tech entrepreneurs who demand flexibility without clutter. Now, as exciting as all this sounds, there's still one question that everyone's asking. Will Apple actually reveal it soon? The safe bet is that Apple might tease it subtly at a 2025 event while reserving full availability for early 2026. Allowing them to fine-tune production and differentiate it from the already impressive M4 lineup. But as we've seen before, Apple loves surprises, and dropping a one more thing moment during their late 2025 keynote could send shockwaves across the tech industry. So if you're planning your next desktop purchase, maybe, just maybe, hold off a few months. Because if the M5 Mac Mini is real, it's not just another refresh. It's going to redefine what we expect from compact computing. In conclusion, the M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be one of Apple's most exciting and intelligently designed desktop upgrades to date. A device that perfectly blends raw performance, whisper-quiet efficiency, and that signature minimalist Apple elegance that has defined the brand for decades. This isn't just a minor spec bump. It's a symbol of how Apple continues to push boundaries in compact computing. From everything we've heard, the advanced 3nm M5 chip, possible Pro variant, improved thermals, and lightning-fast unified memory. This next-generation Mac Mini could easily become the new standard for creators, developers, and professionals who crave workstation-level performance without sacrificing desk space. Imagine editing 8K videos, rendering massive 3D scenes, coding complex AI models, or running multiple virtual machines, all on a device that's smaller than a paperback book and almost silent under full load. That's the magic Apple is hinting at with this upgrade. And while the final reveal may still be months away, the anticipation alone is reshaping expectations of what a compact desktop can be. The M5 Mac Mini won't just be another computer on your desk, it'll be a powerhouse disguised in simplicity, a perfect balance of speed, silence, and style. If these leaks are even half true, Apple is preparing to deliver something extraordinary, a small machine with massive ambitions, ready to redefine performance, efficiency, and the future of modern desktop computing. In conclusion, the M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be one of Apple's most exciting and intelligently designed desktop upgrades to date. A device that perfectly blends raw performance, whisper-quiet efficiency, and that signature minimalist Apple elegance that has defined the brand for decades. This isn't just a minor spec bump. It's a symbol of how Apple continues to push boundaries in compact computing. From everything we've heard, the advanced 3nm M5 chip, possible Pro variant, improved thermals, and lightning-fast unified memory. This next-generation Mac Mini could easily become the new standard for creators, developers, and professionals who crave workstation-level performance without sacrificing desk space. Imagine editing 8K videos, rendering massive 3D scenes, coding complex AI models, or running multiple virtual machines, all on a device that's smaller than a paperback book and almost silent under full load. That's the magic Apple is hinting at with this upgrade.